in this section we talk about these two items. We're going to go through those a little bit later in other videos, but in this first one I want to show you just a review idea. So let's read. The following table gives the information about the value of a truck over time. So here we have time, years of ownership, and the value in dollars, in thousands of dollars, that is. So let's look at this first one, A. Determine the average rate of change over several input intervals. So several time frames that we're looking for here. So I have three of them. We're going to calculate from 2 to 4, 2 to 8, and 4 to 8. So this is a review of the average rate of change. And remember here, the average rate of change was defined to be the overall change in the output variable divided by the overall change in the input variable. And that will give us a feeling for, on average, how much this has changed, this value or this V variable has changed. So let's do the first one, from years 2 to 4. So from here to here, remember it's the overall change, this subtraction over this subtraction. So you should be thinking 12 minus 15 over 4 minus 2. Now I'm just going to review some delta notation here. It's the overall change in the value of the vehicle in thousands of dollars divided by the overall change in the years here. So you're having this calculation to perform in delta notation, the second value minus the first over the second number of years over minus the first. So this should lead you to this calculation here. So that's going to be a negative 3 over 2. And literally, so with units, the value has decreased $3,000 over that 2-year period. That's what that's saying here. So what happens though if we do the division, we get negative 1.5. What in the world does that mean? Well, that still has this units here of dollars and years, so we could call that dollars per year. So we should, I'm going to abbreviate that dollars per year. And so what this means is negative $1.5 thousand per year. It's as if that occurred each year, a decrease in the value of the vehicle. So that's what that is. Hopefully that gives you a review. And so what we want to do here is go after these next two calculations. So you should do it and then compare my results in the next video.